this video, we'll learn how to convert dates from numbers to text. Let's say this one is 2003 September 18. You want to write it as 2003 September 18th. Now how can you do that? Let's say in this cell we have days, months, yes. Let's say in this one we have days maybe. So for days, type equal day, select your data, press enter. This was the 18th of September. For months, type equal text, select your data, comma. Now the first letter of this word months is M. Now type 4 M's, quotation mark, close bracket, enter. For years, type equal text, select your data, comma, quotation mark. The first letter of this word years is Y. Type 4 M's, quotation mark, close bracket, enter. For weekdays, type equal text, select your data, comma, quotation mark, type 4 days, close your bracket, enter. Now let's say maybe you want to write September as in SEP instead of full September. How can you do that? Just go back to your formula, cancel 1 M since we had 4 M's, and erase 1 M, press enter. This is set. Same applies to weekdays. Go to your formula, erase 1 D, enter. This is THU instead of full Thursday. Now let's autofill it. Hold and drag your formula. Now let's say maybe you want to join these days, months, and years. You can use concatenate method. Equal, type equal conca, excuse me, I type in the wrong, in this cell, equal conca, select your days, comma, select your months, comma, select your years rather, close bracket, press enter. Now realize that this is combined. How can you create a space between days, months, and years? Go back to your formula. After comma, type quotation mark, space, quotation mark, comma. Again after this comma, quotation mark, space, quotation mark, comma. Press enter. This is your full date. Drag your formula. Now we are done. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe so that others can discover my channel.